Reflow's essential.
We're saving more than £50,000 a year.
Absolute game changer. MJL was founded 25 years ago. Over that 25 years, we've gone from turning over 400,000 in year one to last year, which was 115 million turnover. Our main field of works is our contracting business, our groundworks contracting business, which carries out mainly residential groundworks, working for all the PLC, national house builders and SME house builders.
We operate around 500-600 employees. To modernise the company, you need to move away from certain aspects. You need live data. Getting the paperwork back to the office takes a lot of time.
Up until the introduction of Reflow, all that's been old school papers and pens and filling out tick sheets, forms, photocopying, getting all that data fed back to the head office. Quite a concern. So Reflow absolutely transformed us as a business.
The risks with monthly site visits would be the fact that it would take a long time for you to get that data.
As the health and safety advisor for MJL, only seeing snapshots doesn't give you the full picture. Reflow makes this easier because we get to see reports that have been completed by contracts managers and the site foreman of areas they've highlighted to be rectified.
We used to have a big board which would be in the office on the wall with about 12 sections of paperwork. Now with the Reflow app, it's much more efficient.
Since having Reflow with development visits previously, I complete 2 a day, now I can possibly complete 3 to 4 a day. I'm probably saving an hour per site.
We had a foreman join us from a different company in the area, and he used to spend an hour or 2 on a Saturday morning of his own time to make sure his paperwork was formatted, had all the right information and was sent to the correct person. He noticed that same paperwork he had to achieve in his other company, he can now do in 3 minutes. That efficiency is not just for him, it's for our entire 30+ sites. We are looking at now 10 to 15 minutes a day per foreman we have saved, and that extrapolates out, you're talking thousands of hours a year.
In the past 18 months I've had no RIDDOR reportable events. Reflow has had a big impact on that through daily foreman checklists.
We can put data up on the screen in the board meetings of stuff that's happened yesterday. Everything is easy to view, it's on the screen.
The Reflow app really narrows it down. Everything's in one place, just standardises the company.
MJL will continue to use Reflow as we expand into new regions. It gives a standardised approach.
The big thing for me is time efficiency equals cost savings.
We're saving more than £50,000 a year in time saved, resources that we've saved as a company.
Couldn't recommend Reflow highly enough.
I would recommend Reflow to any business.
I'd highly recommend the Reflow system.
We're looking to build on every department, every area of our company to expand it fully and really get the most out of Reflow.